let me just invite all the Filipinos to join and show up their talents para sa mga ganitong area of arts, music, writing, ganon. Para naman lahat tayong mga Ilocano, we can be known internationally, ganon. So, and especially sa mga Ilocano, we should make Ilocanos proud about our product also.
Right in the heart of the Sunshine City, that is Lawag, is an elegant but unassuming humble abode where artists and common folk alike gathered to relax, relish, and enjoy a unique artisan affair. And many a beautiful people arrive to celebrate the Araw ng Kasarinlan as one here in Giannis, Lawag City. Giannis is a relatively new family-owned restaurant that definitely adds sunshine to the city of Lawag. And the brainchild behind this unique establishment that is essentially a restaurant, an events venue, and catering facility altogether is an equally humble and unassuming man who founded and created the simplistic but sophisticated entity that is Giannis. He is Mr. Marco Paulo de la Cruz, fondly known simply as Jackie to friends and loyal patrons.
Marco de la Cruz.
Sir, narinig ko po kayo po ang may-ari ng Giannis.
Yes, ako nga.
Are you only the owner or what do you do here, sir?
Actually, ako yung nagbabantay gabi-gabi. At saka ano rin, kusinero.
I can see it from the uniform. Sir, ano po masasabi niyo sa Giannis?
Giannis is a place where family can come. Pamilya mo, lagay mo dito in a safe place. Pagkain dito masarap. At syempre, maluwag.
Sir, what is your best cuisine?
Actually, Giannis was made because of Filipino cuisine. Ang siniserve namin dito, more on Filipino dishes na regional food. Ang ano sa amin, may mga ginagawa kami na international cuisine din, pero more on Pinoy cuisine kami dito.
There are images around us and everything we see. Some are real and some are fantasy.
And with an innovative and progressive vision in mind, Jackie has determined the path to success for Giannis in Ilocos Norte.
So give it your best, and don't you worry about what some may say. Follow your dreams, that's really all that you can do. Give it your best, and remember that life is what you choose.
Whether it's tickling your taste buds, experiencing a wondrous affair, having access to special delicacies of your delight, or simply chilling and enjoying a night out with friends and family, Giannis Luwag City is the place to be.
Can you say about this event, ma'am?
Masaya.
How about the bands?
Okay lang.
How about the pictures regarding about the exhibit?
Maganda siya kasi yung mga binibigay nilang information nakakatulong sa mga kabataan natin.
What can you give us a short message para sa mga organizers, para po sa mga bata?
Yung mga organizers, ipagpatuloy lang nila ang ginagawa nila para ma-inspire yung mga kabataan.
Hi, sir. Can I just ask something? What can you say about this event?
This event, it's good.
Sir, ano pong masasabi niyo sa event na to?
Yun nga, good vibes lang. Peace.
Sir, hikayatin po natin yung mga Pilipino, yung mga manonood to come at Giannis.
Sa lahat ng nanonood, come try Giannis here in Luwag City. Dito po, masarap ang pagkain. The place is very nice and see you here.
And the staff are so good. They're very, very hospitable. Thank you, sir. Thank you po.
Thank you.
Up next, let's take a look at the Araw ng Kasarinlan. Again, in a nutshell, the celebration continues.
When I sit alone, come get a little